In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for broken links on WordPress.com. Now, checking for broken links is crucial to maintain a smooth user experience and enhance your website's SEO. Let's dive right into the process and cover each step thoroughly so you'll know exactly what to do. First, you want to navigate to WordPress.com and log into your account. You can do this by searching for WordPress.com login on your preferred search engine, which should direct you to the login page. After logging in with your credentials, you'll land on the WordPress.com homepage, where you'll find everything you need to build or manage your website. Next, it's time to access your WordPress admin dashboard. For local installations, head over to your WordPress admin page by typing in the URL http localhost WordPress WP admin. This URL takes you to the login page for your local WordPress setup. Once logged in, you'll be on your dashboard, a central hub where you manage all aspects of your site. From your dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section. This is your gateway to add extra functionality to your WordPress site. Click on Plugins in the left-hand menu and then select Add New. Here, you'll see a variety of plugins available to enhance your site's capabilities. In the search bar, type Broken Link Checker. This powerful plugin will help you identify and manage any broken links on your site. Once the search results appear, locate the Broken Link Checker plugin. Click Install Now to add it to your WordPress setup. If you've already installed it before, simply click Activate to switch it on and start using it. After activation, go to the Link Checker option in your dashboard menu. Clicking it will open the plugin interface. Here, you'll notice options such as Local Old, which is where you'll begin your search for broken links. Click through to access the detailed settings. Now focus on the search box within the plugin. Type in any specific keywords or URL fragments you want to examine for integrity. Execute the search to filter through all contained links on your site. If broken links are identified, you'll have the opportunity to address them. When managing broken links, use the Bulk Actions feature for efficiency. Select the broken links you wish to remove, then choose the Bulk Trash Sources option from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to efficiently remove multiple broken links, enhancing the user experience and SEO of your site. That wraps up our step-by-step guide on identifying and managing broken links on WordPress.com. By following these instructions, you'll ensure your website runs smoothly and remains user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep your site healthy by regularly checking for broken links.